Hi there, students. In this video I'd like to look at the words contiguous and contagious. They look very similar, but they're very different words. Let's see, they are both adjectives. Let's see, something that is contiguous is next to or touching something else, usually something similar. So, for example, my house is contiguous with the house next door, next to, touching each other. Very often they use the phrase the contiguous United States. These are all the states in the US that are all together in a block, but Alaska is not contiguous. It's separated by Canada. Okay, so contiguous, touching each other. And then we have the adjective contagious. Okay, a contagious disease is something that can be caught by touching someone who has the disease, or touching something that they've been wearing. So this disease is highly contagious. Clearly, COVID is a highly contagious disease. If you say a person is contagious, you're saying they have a disease that is easily spread. Now notice you can use contagious more metaphorically. For example, yawning is contagious. One person yawns and then somebody else does, and then everybody's yawning. Laughter can be contagious. One person starts laughing and suddenly everybody's laughing. Or fear could be contagious. Okay, so contagious, a disease that's spread very easily, typically by direct contact with that person. But then you can also use it for emotions, for feelings, for attitudes, for things like that. So contiguous, touching, neighboring, adjacent, abutting. Yeah, next to each other in sequence. So this entry in the dictionary is contiguous with the next one. Yeah, or if you search for I swear English, you'll find, if you put it in the search engine, you'll find loads of contiguous links, one after another, after another, after another. Okay, so contiguous, sharing a common border. I guess, let's see. Yeah, North America is contiguous with South America. The Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean are contiguous. Yeah, I think they're also contiguous with the Bay of Bengal. They touch each other. Okay, so contiguous, connected, neighbouring, touching each other, connecting without a break, the 48 contiguous states of the US, the contiguous United States, as they put it sometimes. Okay, the farmer's fields are contiguous with those of his neighbour. They touch each other. I guess you could use this metaphorically. These are contiguous ideas. They're next to each other. They're very close. They're touching, but they are different. And then contagious, easily spread, a contagious disease, a contagious effect. Yeah, okay, contagious enthusiasm. He's enthusiastic and everybody becomes enthusiastic. Okay, formality. This bit's important. Contiguous is a formal word. I think I would give it 6.5 to 7 in formality. Semi-formal writing or above. Contagious, however, I think I would give 5.5 and use it absolutely anywhere. Contiguous comes from Latin contiguous with a W, touching, from contingere, to be in contact with. And contagious comes from late Latin contagiosus, from contagio. Notice both of them con, with, and I think the tagus, or the tagus bit, or the tingus bit, this is talking about touching. Yeah, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Contiguous and contagious.